Macele Musamseleku's first wife says, "Stop comparing my husband with Jonas. Jonas never be like Musamseleku is true. Musamseleku, he is very humble to his wives. Jonas was beating his wives, disrespecting them. So Musamseleku and Jonas are different." Macele says a man wants peace. When it comes to Jonas, the reason why he was beating those wives because they are disrespectful. Jonas was going out and sleeping with different women because his first wife was disrespectful, toxic. A man want peace. Macele says a man want peace because he can leave the big mansion and go to sleep on in a small room or one room. So Macele says Musamseleku never like Jonas because he is very humble. Musamseleku doesn't beat his wives. We didn't hear even one of Musamseleku's wives says Musamseleku put a hand on me. Musamseleku doesn't beat his wives. Even with Makumalo, they can have some of misunderstanding with Makumalo or what, but Musamseleku never raised a hand on Makumalo. So Macele says, "Stop comparing my husband with Jonas because Musamseleku never like Jonas. Musamseleku, he can do his own thing by, you know that sometimes Macele can stand for her husband." Macele loves Musamseleku a lot. So Macele, the way she was saying that a man want peace, Macele saw that Musamseleku is a man. When you start being talkative to him, he doesn't like that, to be in competition with a man. That's Macele was trying to explain to women because it shows even Jonas was beating that girl, his young wife, that girl, is because that girl was the one who want to be toxic to Jonas. Jonas starting beating that girl. Other men, they have got a short temper. He can beat you if you want to be very harsh to him. That's Macele was explaining that a man want peace. If you don't want peace with him, nothing can be okay. Like his first wife, that woman, she was very toxic. Jonas, everything she want to control. That's Macele was explaining that don't control a man, because if you want to control everything to a man, sometimes you can't win a game, especially women. You know that women, we already lose a game because we can't compare ourselves with men. It can't happen. Musamsele could never raise a hand to his wives. We saw Mayeni, she is very toxic. Even she can say some of the words very disrespectful. If it was Jonas to Mayeni, Jonas who beat Mayeni very well. But Musamsele could never raise a hand to Mayeni. Sometimes you can blame that man, but we didn't hear even one of his wives since he started, he married them, all of them. Mangwabe, she is very disrespectful to Musamseleku, but Musamseleku didn't raise a hand to her. So Musamseleku is a good man. He is the polygamist, but some of the things he can be disrespectful, but he will never put a hand to his wives, even Makwela, everyone. So sometimes Macele was standing for her husband, that don't compare my husband with Jonas because Msamsele could never be like Jonas. Yes, Macele was right. And Macele was trying to give some of the women advices that a man want peace, because Macele was trying to explain how Jonas's first wife, the way she was acting. That's why Jonas was doing all of those things. She want to control, to shout every time, to control. That wife want Jonas to do things including to her own wishes. So other men, they don't want to be controlled. That's Macele was trying to explain, that if you want to control a man, because Macele experienced, that's why you saw Macele and Musamseleku, they are together until now. Their relationship is good than other wives. people, guys, you know that sometimes Macele experience more things because in South Africa there is no woman like Macele who can tolerate all those things. Her husband to be married to 4 wives.